Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change your Subaru Impreza key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 coin cell battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quite quick, usually taking just about 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. Take your time with this step. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. This ensures proper contact and function. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test all the functions of your key fob, like locking and unlocking your Subaru Impreza, to confirm the battery replacement was successful. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.